Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today I just did this makeup look for you guys. I wasn't sure if you wanted me to do a makeup look. I've been seeing like pink makeup looks, and since it's about to be the end of February, I wanted to make sure I wrapped it up with the makeup look and I gave you all pink. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I used a palette like an oldie but a goodie. For the most part, you're going to see me do every single step except for the brows and the lashes, because that's like the same in every single routine or video. But yeah, if you want to see a separate video for my brows and my lashes, just let me know in the comments down below. And that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm hopping right into this video. The first step you're going to see me do is actually prime my eyes, and I'm just using, I think this is my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I want to say this is in the color C12, and I'm just going all over my lid and making sure that I prime my eyes. And now my next step, I'm going in with this Ace Beauty palette. I haven't used this in about a year, maybe a little bit less. And I'm going in with this like reddish brown color, and I'm just placing this in my crease. I knew I wanted to do like a pink look, so this is the look I'm going for. And to make like a good transition color, I'm going in with the reddish brown color. I'll list this down below and let everyone know what colors they actually are. And it comes up again a little purplish on my skin, and I don't know why that is. It just ends up looking like a little bit purple on my skin when I blend that. Then I'm going in with this darker purple color, and I'm placing that on my outer corner and then again into my crease, just to make sure I have like a smooth transition for blending. I haven't done eyeshadow look in a really long time, so this was something I definitely missed. And sometimes you get rusty, like if you don't use the skill that you have for a while and then you use it again, you'll see like you get a little rusty with it. Now I'm going in with that Makeup Revolution, and this is in the color C12, and I am placing this on my crease, so this is very much like a cut crease. I found a new tip. Whenever I am blending my cut crease, I actually do it above my eyeball. Like I place the position of the brush, like the flat brush, right above my eyeball. You can actually feel it, and that's a good way to determine where your cut crease is. So I'm taking that and I'm placing this on both lids, doing the same exact look for both eyes. And that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm going back in with the, I want to say this is like a reddish brown color again, just to blend everything into the crease. You want to make sure that the most important part of putting on any eyeshadow is the blending. So take your time with the blending, make sure you blend out that concealer, make sure it looks really good. And I was going in with the pink color now. So this is like a bright pink color. I just placed this all over my lid. And I just pat this on my lid. I took my time and made sure that I built the color up. So again, you just see me packing my lid with the pink color, and I'm going in and placing that everywhere I put the concealer, just packing that color on. And I'm going to do this on both lids. Now, after I pack that color on, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Glue. And that step is really, really important, because that actually is going to have the second color that I put on top of here. It's going to allow it to adhere to my eye. So again, this is one step. You can do the concealer trick if you want to have your color pop, or you can actually use NYX Glitter Glue, almost like a primer for your eye, and it will again enhance the color that you put onto your lid. So that's what I'm doing here. And now you just see me going in with that dark purple color and blending again. I'm blending the outer corners because I want to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines when it comes to my face. Again, with any eyeshadow look, you just want to really take your time, make sure you blend, make sure you're not rushing. And now here I am going on with that NYX Glitter Glue. Like I told you guys before, I'm taking my time and I'm patting this all over my eyeshadow. And again, it doesn't really mess anything up because I plan on putting another layer of eyeshadow on top of here. So right here, I'm putting on this, it's like a pink sparkly color. I want to say I love this color. I think it was even like had a little bit of like specks of orange in it. It looks so pretty. And I just placed that on top of my lid, and then I'm going back in and of course blending again because I want to make sure everything looks seamless. And now my eyes are done. I did my liner off camera, shaving my chin hairs, of course. And then I'm going to prime my face, or I primed my face already actually. So prime my face, shave my chin hairs, because that is going to mess up any look. All right, so I'm going in with my Maybelline concealer that I use all the time, and this is in the color, I think this is in the color tan. I'm not sure. I'll put it down below. I just placed this all over my lid. I've been doing this Flawless Foundation makeup now for a while. Ever since I did my last video, it's like my new routine for when I'm going out. So I have one where it's just like everyday wear, but I only put on like one concealer and it's a more natural look. And the other look is like when I'm going out and I put on like a lighter concealer so I can have that bright under eye. So I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm just blending everything out. This brush is from Sephora. I can link the brush down below as well. And I'm just taking my time and making sure I blend out my under eye. If you have under eye bags, definitely take your time here. I know I definitely have under eye bags and sometimes, you know, I hate them, but for the most part, I try to conceal them and they do go away with concealer, sleep, water, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I'm blending everything in here. You see me going over like my mustache area and then my chin, and this is anywhere that I want to highlight on my face. I'm going over. I look like the Lorax right here, y'all. I don't know what's going on. So here, yeah, I'm still blending in the outer corner so it doesn't look like that solid line that we have there. We're going to get rid of that a little bit later. And then I am going to go in with my NARS foundation that I love. This is the NARS light reflecting foundation in the color Macao. I love this. I've been using this consistently. One thing that I can say about the foundation itself, and the only thing that I notice is almost like a con, is I will get oily. So if I wear this for an extended period of time, it looks flawless once your makeup is finished. But throughout the day, like when it gets a little bit later, a few hours you've been wearing it, you're going to need to use some like setting powder or something to hide the oil that's coming out of your face. Or at least that's me. That's what I've noticed about this foundation. So it's not a matte foundation. Your face is not going to stay matte all day. It will, like, you'll look dewy. I want to say greasy, but not greasy. It's not greasy. It's just like your skin will start to have the oils peek through. So that's the only con with this foundation. It's not bad. And if you like to have that dewy finish, then you'll be absolutely fine. So the next thing I'm doing is going in with my Huda Beauty concealer, and I think this is in the color Peanut Butter or Toasted Almond. I don't remember. I think it's Toasted Almond. I'm going in where my eyes are, and again, this is my under eye brightening concealer trick that I do. This is like for UK girls. And I also am placing my contour color. I just placed this on the Beauty Blender that's damp and place it right below my concealer on like the bones of my cheeks, like my cheekbones. And I'm going in and I'm blending my concealer out. Let it dry down a bit, of course, and then I'm going to blend that out. Make sure you just tap the product in and don't push it around. That was something that I learned from Amina Coco. So yeah, just take your time blending everything out like you would usually. And then when you're done, we're going to set our under eye concealer with powder. So the powder that I'm using is my Morphe setting powder. I think this is in the color Banana. And I just placed this all over my lid, and I set my concealer, both of them. Make sure that you put a good amount on there. You're going to bake for a little bit, but don't do too much. You don't want to be like too powdery underneath your eyes. So I'm just patting that product on right underneath my eyes. And then after I'm done with that, I'm setting everywhere else where I had concealer. And my bright areas, I'm setting it with the Laura Mercier powder, the translucent powder. Again, the difference is you want to make your under eyes a little bit brighter. I'm going in with this. I think this is from my Jackie Aina. No, this is from my blue and white palette, my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I forgot what it was called, but I'll place this below. And I used a pink color out of there so I can have like a pink blush because I do not know where my Dior blush is. And now I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the color 3 or tan, and I'm setting my under eye with that actual, like it's like a pressed powder, and it looks flawless anytime I do this. Now I'm getting rid of harsh lines. I'm going in with my foundation brush, and I'm going in and blending the sides of my nose because that's where you notice like the concealer is heavy there, and any harsh lines you see on the side of my face to make sure that everything looks seamless. Now I'm going in with my Morphe powder, and I think I'm in the color Mocha, and I'm placing this, not Morphe, I'm sorry, Sephora. It's Microsmoothing powder. I'm placing this all over my face, and this is going to definitely give me a flawless finish. I've been loving this lately as well. Again, I haven't used it in so long, but it looks so good. I forgot why I didn't use it in a while. So now I'm back on camera. My lashes are done, my brows are done. I'm going into my lips. And I'm using this Juvia's Place, and this is in the color Cocoa, and this is like a deep dark brown. It looks so nice. And I'm lining my lips with this and like placing it in the center of my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with some MAC lipstick, and this is in Velvet Teddy. I'm placing this on the center of my lip, and that looks amazing. And the last step that I'm gonna do here is place a gloss on, and I think I used the iconic London lip gloss. and I placed this all over my lips. This is definitely a new lip combination for me that I've been loving lately. It looks really good, and I loved it. So yeah, this is me just finishing up my lips, and that really is going to complete my look. So I just wanted to perfect it. Again, going back in with that lipstick and almost using it like a lip liner. And I'm done. Oh, my moles. Can't forget those. So my 3 moles on my face that I normally have, my beauty marks that I have, I'm just placing those all over my face. And boom, done. Done, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really did enjoy filming this makeup tutorial because I haven't done makeup in so long. But that's it, guys. So yeah, thank you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.